is Sydney Raber. Sydney is joined on the field by her parents, Matt and Colleen Raber, her grandparents, Sharon and Rex Farr, and Linda Raber and Linda Barber, and her brother, Zach Raber. She is a nursing major who has been named to the conference's all-academic team in each of her first 3 seasons. Sydney has been a leader for the runners all year long, ranking in the team's top 3 in most statistical categories. This season, she leads CSV with 9 doubles and 18 RBI, while playing a vital role as both the starting center fielder and the team's closer. Sydney has already become the school's Division I leader in career saves with 7, and the single-season record holder with 4 saves. She has the second-best ERA on the team this year, and while pitching in relief, her ERA this year is just 0.94. She also tied the school's record with 10 strikeouts in a game against Pacific earlier this season. In her career, Sydney has been named to the All-WAC tournament team in each of her first 2 trips to the conference championships. For CSUB, Sydney is in the top 5 for career at-bats, hits, batting average, RBI, doubles, triples, and steals. Ladies and gentlemen, number 4, Sydney Raber.